I'm Chuck. This is What is the Wheel? And tonight we're going to talk about chicken wing. Anybody that watches me knows I don't usually talk about chicken wings. But my planned project for tonight, which was rebuilding my Predator motor, did not happen like I wanted it to. It just took too long. So I had to turn something out for this evening. So I decided to turn out a chicken wing recipe, which is not even my chicken wing recipe. It's my grandmother's chicken wing recipe. And to be honest, it's not even her chicken wing recipe. It is my grandfather's chicken wing recipe. Charlie Britt, my grandfather, who served in World War II, he was a lieutenant, had a chicken wing recipe in the South, which this is North Carolina. Give away a secret, this is where I am in North Carolina. Had a recipe for chicken that was what was known as a vinegar-based recipe using butter, vinegar, red pepper flake, cayenne pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and several other things. That is one of my favorites my entire life. So I made this recipe tonight for dinner after spending 2 hours working on the video. And I thought, you know what? I love this recipe. This is actually my favorite recipe for barbecue ever. So I thought I would give it to you. I'm actually going to have on display the recipe card that my grandmother, who's been dead for 2 decades, used to make this recipe with. It is fantastic. I think you should try it. I've got it on barbecue chicken wings this night. My favorite really is barbecue on the grill. Nothing like using real coal to make barbecue on the grill. I recommend it every day. Also, I'm going to recommend this too. This is Dragon Stout. Absolutely the best stout you could ever possibly try. Everybody have a great night. Like, subscribe, comment. You know what? This is a short video. Don't even do any of that stuff. Just have a good evening. I'll see you guys. Have a great night.